Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. So today we are gonna make chicken masala curry. For curry I have here 1 kg of chicken, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 medium onion which is sliced, roughly sliced, and 1 ginger which is about 2 inch, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 mace, 3 green cardamom, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 cup of brown onion, which is it's about a small onion, 2 small onions or 1 medium onion, and 8 to 9 red chilies. So firstly we have to roast these things, these dry spices, and then we will grind it. So heat up your pan, and first of all I'm adding here coriander seeds, stir a little bit, green cardamom, mace, cloves, cinnamon sticks, red chilies, roast it until you feel the fragrance. Now I'm gonna add cumin, now I can feel the aroma of these spices. Give it a light roast. Now we can see it's completed. Now I'm gonna grind it. Firstly we have to marinate the chicken. I'm gonna add these. Now add yogurt, turmeric powder, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder I take 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste or salt 1 teaspoon. Now add the brown onions and mix it. Ginger garlic paste, we have to add here 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now marinate it for 1 hour. Now the masala that we have to grind it, here it is, and I also grinded onion and ginger with it. Now it's complete. Some oil, now add the masala in it. And now it's enough roasted. We have to add the chicken in it. Add the chicken, marinated chicken. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe first. If you are here and first time in this channel, so let me know. Do you like our recipes? Let me know in the comment section below. Firstly, we have to cook it on high flame for 5 minutes. Boiling. You will cover it and cook it on medium flame for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken get tender completely. Now it's done. It's almost done now. The meat is completely tender and the oil is separate. It's completely separated. As you can see, it means it's done. Now add some green coriander leaves on the top of it. Now we will simmer it for 2 minutes on the low flame, covered. Now it's our final result. Garnish it with some green corianders, and now our masala chicken is ready. Serve it with naan. Serve immediately. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to please subscribe my channel, and do share this video with your friends and family. Make in your home and share your experience with me. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.